vlog. This is our third day on our road trip going to I don't know where. We are here in summer now. We arrived last night. It was so windy, so wavy, so cold. Nagsuka kami ng mother ko. Actually, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa Roro kasi talagang hilong-hilo ako. So, nag-check-in kami sa EWP. Dapat pupunta kami sa Barangay Kabalungan, if I'm saying it correctly. Kaya lang, yun nga, nagsuka kami ni na mama and we were so tired really. So, we just decided na mag-book dito sa harap ng pier ng Fast Cat. The name of the hotel is EWP Tourist Inn. And maganda yung mga rooms. I'm gonna show it to you later. The cost is 1,950. Pero with all the summer discounts, we just got it for 1,550. And here's the room. Room 203. We got the deluxe room. I think the original cost is 1,950. Pero my senior discount kami. So 1,550 with 2 double beds, and we have a table over here. Oh, and merong percolators and TV. Tapos yan, this bathroom. And a small mirror. So, nag-check out na kami ngayon. My dad is just fixing something in the car. And we will try to reach Tacloban City for this night. Doon kami tutulong. We will cross San Juanico Bridge again. If you haven't watched my travel vlog when it's our first time to cross that, it's over here. This will be my second time. And ito pa experience namin sa tita namin. And then we will sleep sa Tacloban. And tomorrow is an exciting day because we will try to sleep at Kalanggaman Island, Leyte. The whole bridge. Yeah, we're going to cross it from somewhere to Leyte. I'm not going to fly my drone, but if you haven't seen my vlog last May, here's the link. I'm gonna put it also on the description box below. I have a drone shot of San Juanico Bridge over there and hope you'll enjoy it. I recommend that you will watch that because we flew from somewhere to Leyte and vice versa, and then we flew it under the bridge. We were supposed to stay for the night sa Go Hotel Tacloban, kaya lang nag-close na sila. I don't know why. It is a great budget hotel with all the amenities of a hotel. So we looked for a place to stay and nandito kami sa Asia Stars Hotel. We checked it out and very nice naman yung room. We got the deluxe triple. Ang original price nila is 1,900. Pero discount din sila ngayon and we got it for 1,520. And maximum nila is 3 packs lang. So we have to pay an additional extra person for the room, and that is 300. So 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 8, 20 itong room na to. And this is what the room looks like. Wait lang. It is a deluxe triple. So may 3 beds siya. There's the closet over here. 3 beds, which is a single bed. And then, great space, malaki yung may aircon, my Wi-Fi, my TV. And there, that's what the room looks like. And this is what the bathroom looks like. Oh, maganda naman yung sink, my bidet, hot and cold shower daw sila. See, it's clean. So, I think for a discounted rate of 1,520, I think this is a great price. This is a good deal with this space and 3 beds. So yeah, this is a good deal. kung close pa rin yung Go Hotels, pag bumalik kami din sa Tacloban, we will definitely stay here again sa Asia Stars Hotel.
The next day.
Good morning! We are checking out Asia Stars Hotel. We have a change of plans last night. Dapat diretso kami sa Kalanggaman Island today, pero we read sa internet or sa out-of-town blog, I think, na it's much better to go there at 6 a.m. because mas smooth yung water. So we decided to just check out here in the afternoon and then stay for the night at Pamplona, and then early the next morning we will go to Kalanggaman Island para mas smooth and mas makuha namin yung early morning sunrise kasi maganda din Kalanggaman Island in the morning. So we will go eat lunch or brunch sa tabi ng Asia Stars Hotel. I think the name of the hotel is Juanico. They have the same owner of the hotel, and we'll eat lunch there and then go and come sa Pamplona. First step is to visit the tourism office. Hi po, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Paano pumunta sa Kalanggaman?
Maximum natin is 17. Ang minimum is 15. 15 capacity below is 3,000. And then, pag umabot na po kayo ng 17, automatic po yan 3,000. 150 ang bawat isa.
150.
Paano pag senior? Wala kayong ano?
May discount po yung senior. Instead na 150, magiging 120 na lang.
Basta may ID po.
Basta may ID po.
Oo.
Kami na po yung ano sa inyo about the manifest and the thermal temperature. And then, we proceed the orientation.
May tutulugan doon?
Wala. Bawa pa mo.
Oo.
Walang overnight sa ngayon.
Close ang jetter?
Opo. Wala pa. Malapit-lapit na. Wala pa silang kasi sa overnight lang kasi sila makikita.
So, anong oras ang alis ng ano?
Pinaka-early is 5.
5, tapos ang alis balik.
Balik dito is 2:30.
Ang konti na mo.
Pero pag gagahan niyo, ma'am, masusulit yun.
Sulit na rin.
Oras.
Ilang oras ba ang travel from?
45 to 1 hour ang travel down. Then pag okay po yung weather, walang anon, kayang-kaya yung kunin ng isang bangka na kalahating oras lang po.
Itong cottage rates para doon?
Yes, doon na po kayo magbabayad.
Ah, doon
Sa
na,
island, may
okay.
collector po.
Paano ang food doon?
Dito na po mamimili. Pwede din kayong mag-ihaw-ihaw na lang doon.
Pwede may ilawan din doon.
Yes. Bili na lang kayo ng isda, karne, at saka oling.
So, tomorrow, ilan kami doon?
Bali, 4 na grupo kayo. 5 na grupo.
So another change of plan. We are right here in Palampona. We went straight first to tourism office because that's what other blogs are recommending. So we went there first and they told us that there's no overnight stay yet in the island and they're only offering day tours. We are the 6th group to reserve for the island tomorrow, and for that, nakuha namin yung boat ng 3,500. Pero if you're in the first 5 group, you can get the boat for 3,000. The boat leaves at 5 a.m. So we have to be there, and then the boat leaves the Kalanggaman Island around 2 to 4. 4 is the latest. If it's alright for you to travel with rough waves, then you can leave Kalanggaman at 4. And then they also recommend that since Jetter Resort in Kalanggaman is not yet open, there's no food in the island. They recommend to buy food here in the town of Palampon. Pwede daw kayo dun mag-grill. So we asked if they can recommend a place to stay for the night here in the Palampon town, and they have 2 recommendations. This one is above Oxy in front of the fire station in Palampon. It's the nearest from the tourism office, so we opted to get this one rather than the other one, which is rather far away. Pero nasa bayan pa rin naman yung other one. So this is what the room looks like. It's just a simple room with a single bed and a huge bed underneath it, and then a simple bathroom just for a place to stay for the night. So we are gonna go to the town later and buy some food para natin for tomorrow, and I'm so excited.
Bye.